Hi guys, today I wanted to show you what I've gotten at the Dollar Tree recently. I'm going to start off with, hold on a second, with this coat hook here. And I'm not going to use it as an over-the-door hook. I'm actually, right here, I'm going to take these hooks off of here. It's really easy, just bend them back and forth a bit, and eventually they'll just come right off. I'm going to set this aside and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this after I open some other stuff here that I got. Also, for this project that I'm showing you, I also got some of these garlands. They are beautiful with these leaves on them. For something other than this project, I also found these little containers. They are glass. They have a plastic lid. And these are great. You can, let me see here. It doesn't say on here, but I'm pretty sure the glass part you can microwave, so you can make great little portions of oatmeal or whatever else you want to keep in these. Just for easy little storage, you can use them to, you don't even have to use these in the kitchen if you don't want. These could make great little storage for like beads or buttons. But I got these. Also got a grill scrubber. It's getting that time of the year to start using your grill. I got this mounting tape, and this mounting tape will be part of this project I wanted to show you at the end of this video. And I got some hooks. These are actually new. They're, it's kind of hard to see, but they actually have like a wood design to them. So I thought that was a little bit different. And then last but not least, I got these Armor All products for my van that I just got last week, a couple weekends ago. So these are great. I got the multi-purpose cleaner, the auto glass cleaner, and the tire foam cleaner. So one day when it's nice outside and warms up, I'm planning on cleaning my van. Okay. Now to show you what I'm planning on doing with okay. So taking this off. I'm going to open my mounting tape. This says the original super glue permanent mounting tape. Indoor, outdoor, moisture resistant, double sided. Ceramic, glass, mirrors, plastic, and more. So I'm going to put it straight onto these wires here. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it on both. Here, I'll show you. There's two things of wires. I'm going to put a thing on both of them. Just so I know it's sticking. And I was told by a friend who has gotten these before that if for some reason you decide you want to take this down, all you have to do to get this to unstick is take like heat, like a hair dryer to it, and it should come right off. Okay, so I'm going to go actually hang this on my kitchen wall and show you what I did with this. Okay, so I mounted that onto the wall, and I took the garland and kind of put that on the mounting tape where it stuck out, and I used this to store my coffee cups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I tried making this more one-on-one so that it's a little bit more personal. If you like this video, please like it. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe. Thanks. Bye.